day. Got a lot of stuff going on. Between physically doing the construction to build out the warehouse gym in San Antonio, having to clean up and help out and support the warehouse gym here in San Diego, getting ready to do license deals and things like that. It's been overwhelming. I'm not gonna lie. A lot going on. I think I get bored sometimes when I'm not pushing super hard, so I just keep myself as busy as possible. Between school for the software, drafting and modeling, to building every aspect of our platform. We've got the drops coming for the clothing, multiple phases and runs that are coming right now. Tops, bottoms, winter gear, all that stuff. So it's exciting. Expanding our media business with Miguel and BMF, and getting ready to get into other product placement things with other partners and companies. So we have interest in there. Vertically integrating different things here for the warehouse and refining all of our essential services and products. Everything from how you have the retail experience when you enter the gym, to how you enter the gym, to the cleanliness and seamlessness of like the platform, from signing up to how you discover us, the media, what it's like when you walk into the gym. I'm super big on details for cleanliness. You can see of how our bathrooms are built, structured, as well as how clean they're kept. I think that's important with showing service and how you care about your business, as well as your client experience, and everything to how a place smells, how the lights look, what's your initial feeling, your vibe when you get in there, like all of those factors that target your senses. And the important details of cleanliness and things like that kind of set the tone of what people experience when they enter a space, and that's important. I did a couple of consultations. One of them was at Leader Fitness out in Tomball, Texas, for Patrick. Those guys are awesome. Check them out. Doing a lot of great things. They have some awesome equipment. It's a great location. If you're in Tomball, Texas, make sure to go and check out Leader Fitness. They've got a really good HRT facility that they're helping a lot of folks and athletes with on their wellness side, with blood work and different things. But they have a really fun and fantastic gym, and they're making improvements all the time. I absolutely love it. Good people. So make sure to check them out. I did another consult. A gentleman paid me $1,500 for an hour over the phone, as well as kind of like a FaceTime, showing me some of his facility. They're out on the East Coast, and they were gambling on whether taking on more space or moving, and then just breaking down some of what are some of their data points with what business they're doing currently, what business they are, is the potential, is the market there, does it show strength, how's their systems, all those things. And we went over a whole lot in that hour. It was about an hour and a half. And I believe we delivered, it was his opinion, delivered thousands of dollars worth of valuable advice and insight to what I would do, the direction, and also kind of like the thought process of how things work with what people think about and see when you're building out a gym, and marketing yourself and all those things. A good example, I just saw a website, TG The Gym, Mesa, Arizona. We were driving through and stopped by the Muscle Factory, another awesome gym out in Tempe. Mel and I both worked out there. It was super fun, great equipment, good atmosphere. People were nice and respectful. It was clean. And just watching the website in comparison, a gym that is built by bros that don't really know how to run a business. And it's just this is a hardcore gym for serious people that want to get crazy and lift weights and literally show some skin. I'm like, man, that has got to be the dumbest marketing thing I've ever seen. And it shows, it proves it. So yeah, you can't help stupid, but it is what it is. And so I gave this advice to one of the gym owners that reached out to me. I did some background checking as far as what their presence is, their platform, their social media. What is the interaction? What are they putting out? What are people receiving? What's the vibe, the advertising, all of that, from social media to websites, different things. And one of the first reels that I see in their feed in the top 6 bars of their Instagram and other things was them discussing how oh, hey, this is a Cybex hack squat. This thing is awesome. It's super heavy. You're going to get your legs. I love how heavy it is. So if you want to get huge legs, come check this out. This is super intense. And then, this is a bigger guy, describing how to use this machine. And immediately in the first 2 sentences, he tells everyone it's super heavy, like empty by itself. And I'm like, well, that's weird. Like, right there, if I was to try to open a new gym and market my machines and stuff, I wouldn't be limiting my market share to just a small group of people who are huge and want to lift heavy. I would be like, hey, this thing feels amazing. It's not hard to use. You can hop right in. The weight's manageable. You can always add more weight, of course, if you want to get huge legs. But understanding the difference in how people perceive things versus what you say. When you want to be successful, take yourself out of your business and cater your business for what it is. It's for the people. You're providing something that you think you can do better for the people. So that's what you want to make sure you focus on. If you're just trying to, make a gym for pros, you're probably not going to be able to keep the lights on very long because there's not a lot of pros in every city and they're not just going to pay to keep you in business. That's not how it works. You also need the community that surrounds you that you can support. That's how it should work. It's a service-based business. Don't forget. It's not just your own little pet shop. And so, that's a huge thing. So definitely make sure it's been really fun these last months, building out San Antonio, getting the ground work and the groundbreaking work done, getting through all the legal stuff from purchasing, lease and purchase, and then executions, getting, all the maintenance things done, with zoning and permitting and getting through all these steps so we can really get our certificate of occupancy for the state of Texas and have no issues operating from here on out. And so that has been really exciting. It's just been a lot of work. I have been approached multiple times in the last 2 months for agreements on everyone that wants us to build a warehouse for them. So we'll be announcing that we will be offering license agreements for owner operators, and we will be able to build you a warehouse gym if you want to purchase into your platform / the business and invest. Then we will be doing that for you and offering licensing partnerships. So that's going to be one way we can help build more gyms a little faster, as well as getting people in positions where they can have build wealth and longevity and have an awesome platform to work and operate and be able to have that financial future as well as security and an awesome business to go with it. So that's one thing. I completed my first warehouse acquisition. I sold 10% to one of our minority owners now, a minority shareholder, Rachel Gutierrez. So that is a really exciting thing. A founder's share fee of 10% of the business. And so she got everything together and hopped in, and she's going to be becoming a member manager and allowed up to purchase up to 48% of that location under, as a minority partner with the primary parent company and brand. So obviously being able to have all that support, I'm building out the warehouse. I own the warehouse gyms. And then she's going to be a minority partner and owner at the San Antonio location, helping us to operate. So that is going to be fantastic. Wonderful individual, absolutely amazing, strong, a retired IFBB pro, women's physique. Rachel Gutierrez is just a fantastic person and a personal friend. So really exciting to have that support and her down there, or out there in Texas, helping us out, build the brand out there and awareness. And it's going to be exciting too, working side by side to bring all aspects of a gym and to improve with her knowledge in business as well as professional management and doing other things. So that's really exciting. Wanted to let you guys know that that's a development that we have been able to acquire and work on together. And so that's super fun. And that's going to help everybody. And we're going to keep going and keep hauling ass. And now I'm going to break this off and maybe shoot some short existential shit like everyone else that's, talking online that is a business entrepreneur and just needs to tell you, you just got to fucking do it, man. Yeah, fucking no one's going to do it for you. God, who are you? Stand up straight. Get up early. Go out and take it. Take what's yours. Fucking king. I fucking hate fucking people like that. I can't stand how fake people are. Like, it's like, dude, shut up. Go cut your foot off with a chainsaw. Oh, or try not to. Anyway, it's just so much fake shit out there. It blows my mind. So yeah, you guys, just like in the other YouTube about the financial advice from these entrepreneurs, don't be dumb. Like, just do shit. Best advice I can give you. Because people ask me why I don't do more like coaching, all these things. I'm like, because I don't need to be a Wes Watson telling you about me. I don't need to pay for you to hear about me. I just fucking watch. There's a difference between him and I. I do. He talks. Sells something. Fuck, I have no idea. Some link on YouTube. I build real shit. I do real things. With people, teams, with myself, my hands, businesses, everything I own is actual, not fake. And yeah, that's the difference. So you can either be a talker or a doer. And you know what? I'll do it and then we can talk about it. How's that sound? But until then, keep an eye out.